just a reputable company that was local, that was green, that we knew was going to do us a really good job. We'd had windows and doors from them before, and they'd been excellent. So we felt confident that it would be good from start to finish. So, yeah. We went to the showroom to have a look at the bifold doors, the windows and the living room detail, just so we had a better idea of what we were actually wanting. So yeah, it was very helpful. Service was excellent from start to finish. The project manager was really good. Was in contact regularly, and all the workmen were really excellent. They were respectful and they did a really good job. They cleaned up after them. They were here when they were asked to be. Yeah, they were really good. The fitters, the builders, the electricians, they were all very good. Couldn't fault them, as I say. Decent chaps and did a good job. Were here when they said they would be. And yeah, excellent. It's just lovely. The size of it is amazing. We just love it. It's nice to have so much room when the grandchildren come round especially. So yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, I strongly recommend Abbey Windows to anybody that I know. My son's just having windows and doors put in his new house. They've been excellent, so yeah.